Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. Mega is a company that has really done well, and this cloud storage service is become more and more popular. So to install Mega on your server, you will need to install Snap first. After that, install the Mega by the following command. Installation will take some time, so just be patient. To verify if Mega is installed correct, run the following command. You should see the following output. That's it. If you have any question, leave them in comments.